Today we are doing a review on this nice black table, pretty stable, made out of great material. Haven't had too many issues with the table. If there was one thing I will point out, if we go near the corner, now mind you, I've had this table for quite some time, and the only thing that I don't like throughout the years, you will see a little wear and tear. We have cracks coming down the middle, and stains are really hard to get out. So that's one thing to be mindful of when using this table. Make sure that you keep the table clean at all times. Scratches are easy to come by. You just have to be careful with this table.